We're landing right now at Palermo Airport with the Airbus A320 Neo. So hopefully we have a smooth landing. So we got some downwind right now up here. So that's not too good. Right, we're a bit low. So I'll just go up a bit. And we're also a bit right, so I'll just turn left a bit. Alright, when the next white dot shows up, then we should be able to start descending again. Okay, 2 white dots. 2 white dots, 2 red dots. That's good. That means that we're on track. Start descending again. Right, so now the wind's going towards us from the front, so that's good.
1,000.
Because we don't have any more tailwind. But again, we're quite low. Okay, now we're good. This is quite a long runway for the Airbus A320, so even if we don't get it perfectly on touchdown zone, we should be just alright. Oh, we're a bit high, but at this point we should be okay to not look at the lights. Now we visually see it.
300. 200. 100.
Right?
60. 50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. 5.
Right. Now we should drop down. Okay, that was a smooth landing. Nobody can tell me otherwise. Right, there you go. Right, we'll turn off our reverse thrusters. And that's pretty much it for right now. Next week I will record a flight video, hopefully, when I have more time. If you like my videos, then please subscribe and like, and peace out.